Hello class, welcome to the final week of our class for Psych 421. Remember as always to check the announcements regarding any sort of communications. I did have an announcement up here about the student opinion surveys, so when you receive them, make sure you review this announcement as well. Let's look at week 8. So this week we're going to be covering the following topics. You're to read chapter 12. And what is graded this week is your quiz for the week, as well as your final. The final is set up just like the midterm with 100 multiple choice true-false type answers, and it is on material from week 4 to 8, and there are the chapters that is listed. It's due this Sunday, the last day of class, which is March 4th by midnight. So it's really important that you turn in your quiz and your final exam on time, as I have a very limited window for grading. So that's it for week 8. Your quiz and your final are the main focus. Please let me know if you have any concerns. I've really enjoyed our time together, and hopefully we'll be able to touch base with you in the future. Let me know if you have any sort of questions, and please reach out to me as always. Thanks. Bye.